In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much income to show for PenFed personal loan. Start by visiting PenFed's personal loan page and reviewing the section on income requirements. Open the guide with this topic to follow along. This gives you PenFed's own framing of what they look for and helps you prepare exactly what to enter on your application. First, let's clarify what counts as income. PenFed, like most lenders, evaluates your gross annual income. That's the amount before taxes and other deductions. Your primary wages or salary from employment are the foundation. If you also have legitimate, ongoing sources such as a side business or rental income, and you can verify them, those can be included too. The goal is to present a complete, accurate picture of money you regularly earn. Accuracy matters. PenFed may verify your income, especially for larger loans, so only list amounts you can document. For employment, be ready with recent pay stubs. Keep your numbers consistent with what's on your documents, and if your income fluctuates, use a reasonable annual figure you can support. Entering round or inflated numbers can raise questions during verification. So, how much income should you show? List your actual total annual gross income, no padding, while including every legitimate, verifiable source. This maximizes your qualifying potential without risking inconsistencies. Remember, income is just one piece of the approval picture. Lenders also consider your debt-to-income ratio and your credit profile. As a general guide, a DTI below about 40 to 50% is preferred, and a credit score in the 700s or higher usually helps you access more competitive rates. If you're close to those ranges, reporting your full accurate income can make a meaningful difference. Here's a quick example. If you earn $65,000 from your job, $5,000 from a side business, and $3,000 in rental income, your total gross annual income is $73,000. That's the number you'd enter, provided you can verify each part. Keep your documentation organized so any verification request is easy to satisfy. One important tip before you submit: always be truthful. Overstating income can lead to application denial if verification doesn't match what you reported, and it can delay or complicate future applications. Being precise and transparent helps you move through underwriting smoothly and keeps your options open. To wrap up, review PenFed's income requirements, report your actual gross annual income, include all legitimate and verifiable sources, and keep an eye on your DTI and credit health. That combination positions you for a cleaner, stronger application.